What's up, Market Snipers? This is Jesse. Hope everyone's doing well. This is just a quick update from the last video talking about is the Bitcoin rally over? And, we talked about quick recap, all the signs that were happening, the pending, there was no pending sell yet, but how the trending line on the weekly chart uh, was turning red. And then, of course, we had the bot alert back here on this candle, and we had a bearish MACD crossover, and the last thing I was talking about was we don't have a pending sell signal yet, but it was getting very close to it, right? So now we do have a pending sell signal on the weekly chart, and so you got these target boxes. Obviously, it's in the first target box already. There's a second one and a third one, right? So if you're going to the daily chart, which it's not going to look as clean, and but let's take a look at it. It is trending down, and there was a big move today. I think it was at least 4% drop, and because it's getting more and more bearish. So it's bearish on the daily chart. It's been fighting, getting bearish, since the April 20th, battling all the way down. And now the weekly chart is also going bearish. So, when that happens, and the monthly chart is bearish, right? So when that happens, you could see some bigger moves to the downside. And I want to point out one thing. So Bitcoin's at this target right here. And of course, like you talked about, it can always reverse back around, find support here and reverse back around. But it's not heading in that direction right now, right? So, the trend, as they say, is your friend until the very end. That's if you follow it, right? So if you follow the trend, it can be your friend till the very end. And right now it's trending downwards, whether it's on the daily chart, weekly chart, and the monthly never quite had that bullish MACD crossover. And now it's back into bearish territory. So, one thing to point out, Ethereum has already hit this target. So very similar to Bitcoin, but could be possibly leading the way, is it already hit this target, and now it's already down into this target area here. So doesn't mean 100% that Bitcoin is going to that target as well, but I always like to look for, that canary in the coal mine. What's kind of like leading the way possibly, and what targets are being hit. And it gives us like a good idea that it's possible that Bitcoin will also hit a very similar target. Then we'll see if Ethereum finds support at this target and then bounces, or if it continues downward. And you notice I put an arrow down here. These are like three kind of major supports. Of course, it can find support anywhere, but a confluence of support, if it's breaking down from there, then it could be an even bigger move than that. So if you're a bull, you definitely want price to find support here and make its move back up. So quick, I'm just going to show Ethereum real fast where the targets are at. So very similar to Bitcoin, but Bitcoin's at this target right now. Ethereum's at this second target, got this one here at the 200-week moving average. And then, of course, I put the arrow down here. You'd want it to find support here and have some sort of bounce out, whether it comes up like this, comes back down, and then makes its real move out after that. You'd want that to happen if you're bullish. If you're a bull and you wanted price to go up, obviously we all want price to go up. I play it, to the upside and downside. But of course, you do make more money playing it to the upside than the downside, because not only is you can win on the swing trade, but the coin value also goes up as price is increasing. So of course I want it to go up, but whether it goes up or down, play it to both sides. So that's Bitcoin and Ethereum. And will Bitcoin hit this second target like Ethereum already has? It's trending that way. So keep that in mind, and I'm going to keep this video very short. I'm going to upload it to YouTube since Twitter took like 6 hours and never even uploaded it. I gave up after that. And so I'm just going to upload to YouTube, and so you can check it out over there. And I'll post a link onto Twitter as well. So I'm going to end it here, and I'll see you on the next one, and I'll get this uploaded. Thank you. Bye.